and I'm so excited to be here at the Photo Creators Conference. This is such a beautiful conference. You are in the middle of Tucson, Arizona. You're on a beautiful dude ranch. And what I love the most about this is that it is small and boutique. It's just so great to be able to have this very intimate atmosphere, and it's just such a lovely way to get to know people in the industry.
And this is my first year, and I'm pretty amazed by what we're able to achieve here. I go to WPPI and other conferences every year, but this one, you really get hands-on with the instructors, you get face-to-face time with them, you get to eat meals with them. It's more intimate, and you learn a whole lot more than other conferences I've been at. It's just something that I would recommend somebody, even if you're a seasoned professional to a beginner, to come and hone your skills and just learn from professionals in the industry.
This is such an incredible conference. There's so many great instructors, and the location is so beautiful. The staff is amazing. The class sizes being smaller allows everyone ample opportunity to shoot. I've had plenty of opportunity to ask questions to the instructors. They really take the time to help you with any troubleshooting, and just such a wonderful vibe. Everyone's been so great and makes for such a wonderful learning environment. I just walk away every time with so much information, so many connections. I definitely recommend coming because it's just an overall great time.
I really love this conference. We have a lot of one-on-one, specifically with the educators and also the vendors as well. Right now I'm in the middle of a Photoshop class, which I'm learning a lot. Something with a conference like this kind of brings you back and recharges me, really helps you kind of get back in tune with why you love photography.
This has been an awesome experience so far, being able to really talk and interact with some of these instructors that are in the field, working it already, and sharing what they've done to be successful, to allow us to be able to take that and put it into our own business, and our way of shooting has been really delightful.
This is my first time at the conference, and I didn't realize what I was missing out on. But I have to tell you, I have learned so much, and I'm just so grateful to all of the instructors because they pushed me out of my comfort zone. I had to learn some new stuff that I'm totally going to apply, and we get the most beautiful pictures here. So I will definitely be back next year, and I can't wait.
I'm Jacqueline, back again. This is my second year at Photo Creators Conference. So glad to be here. This was a fabulous week. Couldn't ask for better weather, better instructors. I learned so much, soaked it all up again. Really looking forward to coming back again for my third year. I'm all signed up. Thank you to everybody that puts this all together. You guys are amazing.
And the person you're photographing is going to tell you what their story is.
Who has not shot? Okay, I'll get you a transmitter. Come next to me, really close to me. I want you to see something with your own eye. Up, we'll get your face, and when you stay down, we'll get that kind of mysterious shadow on you, all right? Here we go. You're right, and we can have pro photo going as well. You can be over each other.
Yes. Think about blending modes, right? So if you really think of what this layer is doing, is removing the hue and saturation from this layer.
Which is why automation is key.
We're here at the ranch. The atmosphere is absolutely perfect. You have beautiful horses, vegetation, trees, mountains, landscape. Everything is absolutely perfect. But what I love about it is that it's nice and relaxed. We all go eat together. The food is absolutely fabulous, like the best food ever at any conference. They feed you so well. We all sit down, we eat together, we go to classes, we hang out together. Everything is within walking distance. You're not having to run back and forth. Your rooms are right next to the classes are right next to the bar, to the pool, to all the places that you really just want to hang out and be together with people. So you're not spread out everywhere. Everybody is in really close quarters, which just gives you so much opportunity to get to know everybody here at the conference.
This is my 3rd year at Photo Creators. I keep coming back because this location is stunning. It's just amazing and beautiful and wonderful to be here in Tucson at the ranch. The conference is like nothing else. It is so hands-on, it's so intimate with the instructors. Where else can you go and have a 3-hour class with an instructor and then have dinner with them? So I just love it. I'm gonna come back next year again.
This is my 3rd year here at the Photo Creators Conference. I keep coming back because every year I learn new nuggets of things to add to my toolbox as a photographer. It's always awesome to come to this event and learn from people who have been where we have been and are where we want to go. So if you haven't been, you definitely should.
I'm Paula, and this was my first Photo Creators Conference. It's been really special. It's really nice to be around people that geek out on gear, people that want to learn and share what they know about lighting and settings. It's just like Roberto says, it's like a family. Like you come here and you meet people that really genuinely care to connect, and it's really supportive. People just are so open to sharing like what has gotten them to their next level, and for me that's been really valuable, just to be inspired and get some tips about how to get better at my business, be more strategic. The setting is so beautiful. The setting has been amazing. The space has been very hospitable. It's almost like a retreat, luxurious, the way that the staff treats you. It's just a very supportive place, and I highly recommend it. It's extremely affordable, so valuable for what you receive, and I've met people that I'm going to probably stay in touch with for the rest of my life that are going to support me. Yeah, I highly recommend it. I will be back next year, even though it's going to be in June.
I'm Ibis Velez. I'm from New York. I'm out here at Photo Creator Conference. I had a great time. The instructors are awesome. The attendants are awesome. We all teach each other as well. It's not only the teachers. Learning experience from everybody. This is my 2nd year and I very much enjoyed it. Definitely gonna come back next year. Definitely.
Hey, I'm Dixie Dixon. I'm one of the instructors at the Photo Creators Conference. I have to say that this is my most favorite conference I've ever been a part of. Roberto puts together the most amazing people, like class sizes are super small, and the creativity is just incredible here. You really get to get out of your comfort zone creatively and really make some amazing pictures and learn from all the amazing instructors at this event. The students were like so ready and eager to learn. It was honestly really inspiring being here as an instructor, just to see how everyone does things and then teach along the way, and we all just collaborate and create magic at this beautiful ranch. I mean, really, you couldn't ask for a more beautiful location to shoot. We had top models, makeup artists, wardrobe stylists. I mean, there's really nothing better. I think I can't wait to come back next year, and just thank you so much, the whole team and Roberto. It's been such an amazing experience.